Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah kasni kilong. Play Peit ba menteri rangba yaka biological park zoo ha umtro. Pan jing pensyai ka KSU ribhoy yaka jing klat iklung hadin ka inject na CHC bhoy rembong. Lapan semai dekot yeng dorbar yaka Dr. Mehtab Chandi MLA bertemai na Gambegre. Ban ngat arngut ki Bangladeshi hakti ki BSF pat MLP. Tementang ini paish ki Khubor ki bakhamnya. Hadian arpusau snem ka jing penkre ban jing penbiang ban tei ka ketem set merat klau bakerpang zoo ha ka Jylla ha ka arpunyo terik Naiwieng menteri rangba konrat ke sangma ula Peit ba ya ka zoo balajer kerteng da ka Meghalaya biological park ha umtro ribhoy district. Ha ka sngi play la senra ne menteri rangba da uba AL hek Menteri Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, ba Celestine Lingdo MLA, ba DP Walang Chief Secretary, bon belai ki officer rangba na katanat forest, secretariat bat krui ki Peit ba na ki Shillong ba marjan bat kani ka zoo. Kani ka zoo kam day tang ka jaka set yaki merat klau. Hendrei lapan biang ru yaki jaka yale kai nakabenta ki kena ki jaka syong pengat bat kidukan de mar bahar jait har rukom. Menteri rangba haka jingkran play ula pen mau da ka paong kane ka jaka ka long ru ka shlem hikai yaki long din bakin eet kin burom me ka mariang yaki sentiu ki skut ki sim ki do bad yaki merat ki mereng ki balong ki benta ba kongsan yaka jing em jong ki khun benreu hang ni hasla perthei ula kersiu ru yaki long din ban eet ya baro ki jing thau namar u khun benreu u hab ban em lang rengkat bat ki hakane ka perthei ula ong ru klem ka jingdan lang ki merat ki mereng ki senteu ki skut ki dieng ki set ki plang ki kenbat bat ki klau ki betap ka jing em jong ubreu ka long ka ba blau la kum hakarangai hakane ka slak khando amdei ban khen nong shu ne ki wei pat ki jing em henrei bate la ka jong ka bha ban em lang bat ki saudong ka mei mariang ka Khasi Students Union KSU North Khasi Hills Eastern Border Area haka jingalam usamla banjob maring president bat lasenran ru deki dekot haka alpun rio terik Naiwieng kilaya kendo ya ke district medical and health officer ribhoy naga benta ban budin bat pan jing pensyai halor kane ke jing keno ba iwei iklung padang asnam kerta ila klat no hadin bala eye injection ha CHC bhoy rembong. Hakane kajingya kundu kaseng kala airu da kajing tho syaka DMHO bandawa penlong ya kajing tokit lakate kajing klat ita iklung ka de shisha na kajing eye injection ne na ki wei ki daw jong kajing pang jing shitom kinong yalam ka KSU kilalet ya kundu ya ka DMHO ribhoy kadai hadin ba kilawan ya kundu ya ka long yeng bala keno ba ita I hybrid ila klat no tang hadin bala daban eye inject ha CHC bhoy rembong. Habakran sekilat patai Khubor usamla banjob maring ulaong kajing temu banya kendo ya ka DMHO ka de ban panjing syai badru ban pha tokit halor kate kajing ja knang ba kanamwan ra ya kajing tieng jing siir ya ki Peit ba kumjuru banyo ya kajing shisha halor kani kajing ja
khasi student ko bahap na ko na telo ko eastern riboy iwan ban kundu mentagasni ya DMHO badai Dr. Khardoj angne ko nongpo habidai batka jingja kaba lang suja sian hagi negisi balalek no hakaba iwe lung ibadang arsnem karta I khlat no batkdun ka jing keno bakade nagadaw jong ka jing ai ka injection hangte ko bormbong CBC tenang ji keseng iwan ni ban kendu di mecho banang jungi iwan bandawa ban bikin penlong da kata ke inquiry lane ke jing tokit haji kendu badi di mecho yong ba satang ka tu kenepor ki la jandap ya kata ke jing tokit lane ke inquiry ban nakliang ji ngikwa ba nakaliang jong ki bor pniat jong ka hospital ban nakaliang jong ka health department hi bikin pensyai syok Peit ba ke baja ke ba kami na kata ke jing tokit ke jungki bat nakaliang jungi kumba nilong menta ki Peit ba ki babun ki ba Nia kenduk kidon nia ka jisir ni kiting banlet chaki hospital. Lada kiting banlet chaki hospital sarkar. Kalong pat kabe iki banlet chaki hospital private namar ba ka jisiu kalong baram. Dia lada upat ba unjungai na ka jing sumar kalong ke ke bamsau. Tengliang jungi ila kentu ya i dia mecho ba in penmi kloi kat bala ya kata ga jing toket tenang bentip kalung sisa kumno bat kami kumno ban yo biang sa sen pan ya ka jing e ka jing shania na kaliang jumpat ba banwan syarika jing sumar bat nagaliang jing sengru ngade ban kendu ya kini ki longying ki ba lamat ini pinja ka basungsi ban kendu ru ya ki doktor ku si ha ngade ban let ban kendu apa borumbong sesi ngilai kendu ya doktor in charge di badai doktor
Ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma, haka arpunya tarik Naiwieng, kelas mai kum ka dekat batamai jang ka yeng dor bar tauan ke Jylla, hadian ba kala job kum ka MLA batamai na Gambegre Assembly, hakam ratrekam u Thomas A. Sangma, syong kenor ka yeng dor bar tauan ke Jylla. Lasenran ya ka Dr. Mehtab da ukurim jang ka, Menteri Rangba, Konrad K. Sangma, bat kinong yalam jang ki sengsan hima ke Jylla. Ka Dr. Mehtab menta kadon laingut ki paralog MLA kentei hayeng dorbar tauan ki ba kentup ya ka Dr. Ambrin M. Lingdo ka kong Santa Mary Shilla bat kamiani di Shira.
I'll be able to live up to the expectations of the people. Well, you cannot expect the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saleng is. I think he's got a different personality and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done. The issues. I think the issues of the area, the issues of the constituency, of course, and that matters which are related to the public. In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I've seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Garo Hills. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. So I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I think I will take up these issues. Of course, I think it was the main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what.
Hadin balayo jingtip batikna na kisentiat haka arpon rio tarik Naiwieng ka perton 22nd BSF Battalion rengkat bat ki Meghalaya Police kila penlong ka jing tuet ka bajur haki Khubor India Bangladesh ha West Garo Hills ya ki Bangladeshi ki barungtu sha Meghalaya. Haka ni ka jing tuet layo kem arngut ki Bangladeshi ki bakerteng Utharul Islam arpulai senam karta bat Muhammad Syed Laipau Senam Karta, Kibana District, Rajshahi, Bangladesh, Kaba Hasanda, Barka West Garo Hills District. Hakajing tokit kini arngut kilaya thu ba kila rung sya India, Henriu Benai Menshua, na Mushidabad, West Bengal. Kila hiar sya Chennai, Tamil Nadu, ban belam misteri. Yakini arngut la ai ejahar Hadalu Police Station, bad kijing tokit babanya kidanya chakmat kat kum ki kendon an, hakani ka Police Station. Daka jingjab na ka election shiteng samoy na Gambegre. Kaseng NPP kadon mental laipu arngut ki MLA hayarong jongka. Lakataru ki NPP kadang beteng ban yai traisen rob lang bat kiwe bat kiseng. UDP, HSPDP bat BJP kumbalaya te kular nadu pasdang ban thau sorkar. Laong Menteri Rangba bat National President ki NPP Konrad K. Sangma hakinong tho Khubor hakani kasngi baka kurim jong u kala shemya ka jingsmai kum ka MLA batamai hayeng dorbar tauan ka Jylla. Menteri Rangba ulaong ru ka jingya khun hagam begre kalong ka bajuat namar lasaw sien ka NPP kamla ban kedia ya ubur lom jong ka seng kongres na kani ka jaka tat hadu kani ka kenti.
Their support and vote of confidence in the recent by-elections in Ambigri. As I had mentioned earlier, that this constituency may be one of the more tougher constituencies for us, especially in the Karo Hills region, because in the last 4 elections we have never won this constituency, and we have always been in number 3 position. So it was a very tough election, and but I'm thankful to everybody for having supported, worked for us to win this by-election, and we got support from all quarters. Number 2, regarding the issue of the numbers, yes, we are very happy that the National People's Party today has 32 MLAs, and as mentioned correctly, that it is only after APHLC that this number by a political party has come. So we're very thankful, and we would like to thank God, and we would like to thank the people for this confidence that they have shown on us. Number 3, we have been very clear from day one that as a party, as a coalition, and as Chief Minister, we are here to send a positive message to the people of the state. Yes, politics is complicated. It is very dynamic, and there are many factors and a lot of pressure that comes on us. But in the long run, I think the message of stability, the message of trust, and the message of confidence is important in politics also. And therefore, in spite of the fact that we have numbers, we are sticking with our partners. We have shown our confidence in them, they have shown their confidence in us, and we would like to see that we work in the long run for the stability of the state and overall economic growth of the state. And therefore, there's no question of any realignment.
Kinong tu basian buit bat bastet kikti kikjat kilayo rong artili ki laptop jong ba Martin nong klau uwe na kinong lum Khubor balapau kesor Shillong ki bala tangon penpat ya ka jingkhang yet ka kali jong u kat ba udang penyeng hasurok hasenda ka Shillong Press Club lo wala chumer Shillong hakamit arhunriu tarik Naiwieng hakapor kendai baji tam menmit kinong tu kilara sot ya ka laptop ba ula tab hakapla bat emlap din trai shu eki kat kum ka jinga thu jong ni urang ba laong ba kani ka jatang hapo 3 minute ba ula khang ya ka kali ban let Press Club ban khot eki paralok ban let phai no Naiwieng haba ula wan phai na Press Club ula shem ya ka yet kali la panpat bat kapla ba uthep ya ki laptop bat ki we ki tiar la sha rong bak hakinong tu marmar uba Martin nokla ula ai ejahar sha Shillong Sadal Police Station halor kane ka jing sha panpat ka yet kali bat jing sha tu ki laptop jong u ki pulet kidang thuet ya kita kinong tu
Jong, ini, dan real. Sudah. Ini apa sudah ni? Sudah. Stay sudah. Stay ke hap. Boleh nama ni. Kalau stay. Dia. Ai semua nak air rendah. Ni. Ya ya. Ini yang tadi Jong. Ada di sebuah sudah. Tak ni ni warna kopi. Oh, sadar ke. Sadar. I talk them these people there somewhere. Kompi. Bukan ni mana? Halo. Si babi berdak ini kali bagaimana? Kali dia eksekutif bagaimana berarti dia eksekutif job. Bagaimana I enter the classes dan ini nak ada. Yang duduk yang ada. Berapa lagi kami yang apa hem? Boleh apa untuk ni? Mungkin yo ni, mungkin touch ni. Kita hai em mobile.
Kaskulba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kabadon hatem ribhoy kalapan kre ya kalumpong ki prakun hun ki nong tem na dong lam mingi kaban long ha ka lai photarik Naiwieng kalungkhu sngi kha jong kani ka school ba kajing thumu jong kani kalumpong kalong ban kudup ekipa ba kani ka than hapne jong ka jingya tli jingya jan bat jing sngo shipara laong ka khubor na kani ka school ba kini ki prakun hun ki kan thop yo nong tem ba lu majau bat electric garden Meghalaya eternal triangle Assam Techi Arunachal Pradesh even flow Mizoram roll heads Sikkim Ruben Mashangwa Manipur Aseno Metha Nagaland bat Kapilo Records Tripura yakane kalumpung lapan kre pan krum daga mau jam event network haka jingalam jong uba lu majau kani kalumpung le kemen kan sedang hakapor sau baje bat ka khot ngobhaya baro ki rang ki thei bat ki paj ba e jing rai bat ye ki pat rang e ka jing suk haka emlang salang
Set your soul on fire. Set your soul on fire. Come on, come on, come on. Set your soul.
Hello friends, welcome to a very, very, very special program to be held at the USTM for a music concert built as the One Northeast Music Festival. There'll be 8 bands from all the 8 states of Northeast.
We are Pillar Records and we are thrilled to say that we will be performing on 30th of this November. So get ready to rock.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Nitesh Subba from the band Roll Hits Gangtok Sikkim, and we are coming to your place to be a part of One Northeast Music Festival, and I hope to have a good time with you all because we got a whole lot of rock and roll music for you.
Dear USTM community, we are the Eternal Triangle from Assam. We'll be performing at your university on the 30th of November. Join us for an unforgettable musical evening. See you all.
Hi USTM members, I am Asino Metha and I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be performing live for the One Northeast Music Festival.
Changes, there's me feeling start to touch me, dreaming about you every day.
Winter is here, the best time to go to a concert, and that is why I'm here to tell you that I will be performing live at the One Northeast Music Festival. That is going to happen on 30th November. The venue is USTM campus. So get ready to rock the night together, and I'll be with you.
Badaki tu ki Khubor la poy shaka bakun tat hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublei Shibun.